do is we're gonna do a quick oil change and put a new filter in there and show you guys exactly how to do that. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get rid of the skid plate here. So basically get rid of these 2 bolts here. And the oil comes out, all the dirty oil. Remove the screws to the oil filter. So far, pretty simple. So you've got 1, 2, 3, and the skid plate, 4, and now 2 more for the oil filter. And then you take that off with some pliers. Get the little gasket off. Don't forget the gasket. Put the gasket on the side. And then pull that little oil filter out. And look how dirty and disgusting that thing is. That's going straight to the graveyard. And then last thing we want to do, the other secondary oil plug. Next, you want to clean the oil and the O-ring. Whatever that thing is, don't know what the name is, but clean that thing really good with this cleaner. And next, so you're cleaning out all the chambers, nice and clean. Todos 10?
Todo 10.
Okay, all of these bolts go back in at 10 newtons. Now the filter went back in and it was sitting in a bag with some oil just to make sure it is nice and oiled up before it goes back in there. And now for the 2 bolts for the oil release are going to be at 25 kilonewtons. All right, now we've removed off the oil cap and it's time to put in exactly 3.8 liters of oil. Not a drop more or less. And with a funnel, we're gonna get 3.8 liters of goodness right in there.